Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be unboxing, and this is from Chanel 19B collection. I'm extremely excited, and I'm gonna do it in two parts because I got few of the items from Chanel 19B. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of the handbag, and the next video most likely going to be unboxing of few other items, and I'm just gonna make it as a whole. And if you're a new visitor to my channel, welcome again. I usually do review of luxury items, I do unboxing, I do modeling shots. I believe it's quite helpful, at least for myself, when I watch other videos and I see modeling shots. I find it's extremely helpful to imagine myself either wearing that specific item or thinking would it work for me or my wardrobe in particular. So please consider subscribing. And if you're a return subscriber and supporter to my channel, thank you so very much, guys. I truly appreciate all your support. And today is unboxing Chanel. I'm extremely excited about this unboxing. I've been waiting for this kind of, you know, color combinations that comes to boutique for a very long time. And proof of purchase, obviously, and that's the beautiful gorgeous box. So removing the camellia, I'm gonna put it right there. I'm just trying to do as much as possible that you guys can see. Okay, turn around, there you go. And you know, guys, I usually do my modeling shots, so please stay tuned for modeling shots. Gorgeous packaging, and as usual, you know, it comes with the documentation. I usually keep all those documentations just in case. I find it's extremely helpful if someday, you know, somebody needs to sell the bag, not even if you want it, but if you need it, it's always helpful. And gorgeous dust bag. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, it's going to be linked, not linked, my name is going to be there. You definitely know what is the bag. So let me properly introduce this beautiful handbag. This is Chanel 19B collection, and this is Gabrielle in a small size, not the mini one. I think it's a small one, and it's in a gorgeous burgundy color. Before I was making my decision, I actually put the post on the Instagram, and I had a choice between mini in burgundy and obviously Gabrielle. And everybody on not everybody, the majority of people on Instagram, they go like, no, go for the mini. And mini was definitely gorgeous bag. But I most likely maybe will try even insert the picture somewhere right now so that you're gonna get an idea. The mini in burgundy, it was in the lambskin first and most. And the color itself kind of more matte, like, you know, it's really matte finish. There was no shine or anything specific, and I find it had a little bit of brownish, almost yellowish, like warm undertone. This one you can see very clearly. I believe the color shows quite nicely. It has kind of cooler bluish undertone to this burgundy, and I'm absolutely in love with this bag. I think it's gorgeous bag. So I'm gonna show you a little bit closer. So first and most, it's made of calfskin. So the bottom is very structured, as you can see, and it's a smooth calfskin. But the main body is with the aged calfskin, so it just has a little bit of, you know, kind of like an aging, like wrinkly effect all over. It has many chains let me tell you for sure. It has a bunch of different chains, and the combination of the chains I will try to once again to show for you guys. I hope that you can see it. I'm not sure if camera shows like really very well. I'm hoping it's picking up. I hope if the camera picking up, you can see it has a silver, gold and ruthenium hardware all together. I love it. In the simple words, I love it. The capacity of the bag, maybe some other day I will do what fits inside my bag. The capacity of this bag is outstanding. It fits way more than inside the mini. Fits definitely way more. And what I love about that the zipper is very, very smooth. It's very easy to retrieve items. And the variations, the way you can wear this bag is limitless. And most likely when my modeling shots will be running, I don't know, maybe I already inserted my modeling shots by now, you're gonna see that I will try to do several different ways, the way I can wear this bag. So first and most, you can just simply wear it like that, you know, on the shoulders. If you wanna make it a little bit funky, what you can do, you can kind of twist around, see? You're twisting around several times, and it can be shoulders or crossbody with a little bit of extra elements up in front. Fantastic, fantastic finishes. You can do it once again crossbody with the V-like shape. You know, when you kind of, oh, let me just do it because I'm trying to walk, talk, and chewing gum. So the other way, obviously, you can wear it when it's kind of crossbody, but it's in a V shape. I love that look as well. You can wear it also pretty much like a knapsack, like a backpack. It looks great as well. The other way you can wear it when this chain goes almost on the waistline, so almost like a belt, and this one goes crossbody. Also excellent, excellent look. So definitely the variation is limitless. And as I said, I really wanted to get something in a burgundy. I'm not ready to go to red color, like a solid red. I love to have red in the accent, but the solid red bag, I'm not ready to go there. Maybe one day. And correct me if I'm wrong, because red, burgundies, they're very, very strong color. And like, let's say when you're 20 plus, you can wear anything and you look fantastic. When you get a little bit more mature, the women that 40 plus, like, you know, and such, and older, definitely, when you're wearing red color, if it's in very traditional setting, like classic flap or like classic dress, etc., etc., it makes you look a little bit more mature, in my humble opinion. So therefore, I truly love that this bag is funky. You know, there is a richness of this color, and I mean, it's dark enough. You can see that it's very, very colorful handbag. So, and I absolutely adore it. I think I made the right choice, despite not very popular opinion on the Instagram, but I truly believe that I made the right choice, and it's a very, very different look from anything else that I have in my Chanel collection for sure. But I mean, even in my all other handbags collection, this is definitely very fun, very funky, and as I said, it can be classy, it could be absolute fun handbag. Yes, this handbag made in Italy, and if you look inside, it has several different compartments. Like you can see, there is a compartments for the lipstick, for your cell phone. On another side, you have slip pocket, like slip zip pocket. And otherwise, it's just one main compartment. There is, yeah, oops, sorry, just like that. It's 28 series. There is also an extra hook for your key or wallet or whatever. I'm not sure how practical it would be, but I mean, it's here. Obviously, I'm not gonna do anything about it. I'm just gonna keep it, this hook. So that's about it. So that's about it. I'm extremely excited about this purchase. I love that this bag is very practical for sure. I love that it's extremely edgy, like, you know, kind of modern twist to it. I love that it's different. I love that this color is also quite unique. It's not like every season you get this kind of burgundy, and especially like a cool undertone burgundy, because this is my color. I love burgundy color. I love it in the accent. Like, you know, burgundy color, I will take it anytime and every day. I'm absolutely in love. So now, guys, when you actually have seen this handbag in person, you know, do you think I made the right choice? Mini versus this one? Because I mean, I love mini, but I have my mini square in lambskin, and it's a black, and you know, in black it's much easier to buff if there is any, you know, scratches and imperfections. I was kind of a little bit nervous. Burgundy and lambskin, you know, I don't think so. I worry that it's gonna get, like, you know, lots of scratches, etc. So this is definitely more logical choice. And what I love also that it fits way more than mini, for sure. So that's about it, guys. This is the video for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Bye bye. By the way, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Put all your questions in comments in the description box below. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.